Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how to sign out Google account mobile. As you can see right now, I'm currently in my settings. So all you need to do is to go to your settings and scroll down and look for the option accounts. In my case, it's in accounts and backup. Simply open this, and over here on the top, simply click on manage accounts. Now, these are all accounts that are currently logged into my account or my phone. Simply select the Google account that you want to log out of. And as you can see here, there is an option, remove account. So simply click on the remove account button, just like this. And as you can see here, removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. So if you remove a specific account, it will completely remove all the data related to it from your mobile phone, which is really great. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.